Ayurveda, a step closer to personalized medicine. I hope you have heard this statement attributed to Hippocrates. It's far more important to know what person has the disease than what disease the person has. As the world moves towards personalized medicine, Ayurveda has been geared for that for thousands of years. Ayurveda relies on Tridosha theory. As per that, the human body's constitution is made up of three bioenergies or doshas: Pitta, Vata and Kapha. Everyone has a different combination of these three, and a balance or imbalance of these three leads to various health conditions and illnesses. A disease manifests itself in different ways in these different body constitutions. That means it will show different symptoms in different body constitutions. Similarly, the treatment of the same disease will differ in different constitutions, and that is getting one step closer to personalized medicine. Interesting, isn't it?